Hey everyone, so today, as you can see, we're already driving, and why I say we is because my dad is in this video. There he is. He's gonna be helping me film today. You guys liked seeing him in my Amazon video, so I thought may as well have him in this one. I just quickly wanted to come in because I want to say that the vlog style is really loud when I'm in the car for the beginning, but I swear the audio gets better. So I just needed to say that. Basically, we are doing the dollar store slime challenge. Now, I have never really admitted to the fact, excuse me, I've never really talked about slime on my channel, but I love slime. I love ASMR slime videos. I love watching slime videos. So I thought, what better of a video to incorporate onto my channel than some slime videos? And one challenge I really like is the dollar store slime challenge. So that brings us to why we're doing vlog style, is because we're going to be hitting up a lot of dollar stores, because I don't want to just go to one and find what I can. I want to go to as many as I want until I find everything I need. So we're gonna switch to some shopping now. Let's flip to that footage. Okay guys, so we are in the first dollar store. I'm lost, but we're gonna look for some stuff now. So there's not gonna be anything in this aisle. So which color do you think it is? I think
yeah, I was gonna say that one.
It's pretty good, actually. The music in the store is extremely loud. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Should I try neon? Neon pink might be good. I need a lot of glue. I left some for other people. Ooh. We're gonna get a clay. For sure, we're gonna get clay. Okay, you guys, so we just got out of the first dollar store. I spent $41, but I got so much glue. I just thought I should probably stock up on the glue just in case the other dollar stores don't have glue. I didn't want to miss out. My feet don't have enough room. My dad was kind of having a mental breakdown because he had to pee, but
Liar.
No, I'm not lying. We're pulling into Tim Hortons right now because he can't wait.
Not true.
Okay.
Just want a donut.
Okay, so while my dad's in Tim Hortons, I'll show you guys what I got. First thing is a whole bunch of glue. That's this entire first bag. It's just glue. And then I got 2 shaving creams to make fluffy slime. Hello? Hello. Sorry. Put all my stuff over here.
Tim Hortons went from number 13 employer to number 65 in 1 year. It's like one of the worst ever.
Wow, why?
I don't know.
And then I got 2 paints. I got these little flowers, these jewels, and then this big thing, this glitter. And then I got these sequins, and it's like an alphabet. Jewels, they're pretty big. I think it'll make it really crunchy. And then these glitters again. Sorry, it's a little bit bumpy. And I got this big clay, and I am hoping to mix it in to one of my slimes. It feels like it's pretty bendable, so it'll be good. That is the first dollar store. I still have hopes of finding clear slime. Let's be on our way. So we are at the next store. We're at Dollar Tree this time. So let's go in and see what there is. This seems like the dollar store that you'd get kicked out of, so just be careful. Activator. Just so that my slime doesn't dry out, we're gonna get these. Ooh, look at these. It's like little Orbeez. Let's get some. This makes the best crunchy slime. So I just found this glue. It looks really weird. I didn't even know it was glue, but it's clear, so I'm gonna get a lot. I'm just gonna get it. I know this seems excessive, but I want this video to be good.
What are you doing in the party aisle?
I'm looking for some good crunchers.
Oh, crunchers. What's a cruncher?
Oh, you have so much to learn. You're right, I need to stop. This is good. Let's go get this. Okay, so we're stopped. So the Dollar Tree was $43, so almost
like $90 on slime, you guys. We're really crazy here. So they put it into these boxes. So I'll quickly just show you guys a little bit of what we got. Containers to put my slime in. So I got these. There's 10 in total. Hopefully these work. I got 2. These little alphabets, and then these, oh my goodness, someone's pulling up. Hello. And then I also got this white sand. The big price of all this stuff was basically because I got like 30 clear glues, but I got these little Orby things. I think that'll be cool in slime. And also these sequins. And then the rest is this clear craft glue I found. So that's pretty much all we're gonna be getting. I don't think I need to go to a third dollar store. I think we're good. So let's flip to making some slime. So it is now the next day and I'm ready to make the slime. This is kind of like a 3-step process for me because I bought everything yesterday. I'm gonna make the slime today, then I'm gonna let it sit, and then tomorrow I'm gonna make the satisfying ASMR videos. I can't freaking wait. But right now we have to make the slime. So just to recap what I got, just in case I didn't explain it well enough, I got 20 clear glues, 13 white glues, I got a bunch of sequins, glitters, little cubes that you can put in, little alphabet sequins, some containers to put the slime in, some Tide Simply Clean and Fresh as the activator, some of these little rocks, little beads, foam to make fluffy slime, and a thing of clay to add into the slime. So we have so much stuff, we better just get started making this stuff. So I'm just gonna move myself into the corner. So now that I'm little worker bee Mia in the corner, I'm gonna put my hair up because it's gonna get messy. Let's put a little bit of paint in here. I have this Crafters acrylic neon paint. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. The dollar store I was at did not have any food coloring. Now this is the part I'm worried about. We're gonna take the Tide Simply Clean and Fresh and we're gonna see how this works as an activator. Fingers crossed this is like the only activator we could find, so come on, please. I've seen other people's challenges and they use this and it works good, so let's see. It smells really good. I can already see it reacting with it kind of making it clump up. Okay, it's really super bubbly, but it's actually doing all right. I might have to just rinse it off. All right, I'm super happy that the activator works because that is actually the only activator that I was able to find at the dollar store. So thank goodness it actually works, because if it wouldn't have worked, we would have been SOL and I would have had to go to the dollar store right now. But okay, so I'm gonna put this into a container. Now I know what you guys are wondering, Mia, why aren't you putting any of the decorations you bought in it yet? And that is for the ASMR, not yet. All right, next slime that we're gonna make, I think we better try to make a clear slime. So what we got are these weird clear craft glues. When I found these, I was really excited, but also was like weirded out because I've never seen glues like this before. But I mean, it should be good. It says it's quick setting, machine washable, dries crystal clear, and that's all I wanted. So let's open these up. For it to actually be crystal clear, you have to let it sit for like a day. And that's why we're doing the ASMR videos tomorrow. But it won't be tomorrow for you guys. It'll be in this video. Tide in here. Wow. This is really sticky glue, you guys. Wow. It's not really reacting. Oh no. Wowie. That's a lot of glue. I need the activator. Give me some. Oh, there we go. It's starting, you guys. The glue's actually ripping my nail polish off. Look at that. I freshly painted them yesterday, so it's ripping off my nail polish. It's insane. Okay, that one was kind of a struggle to make. It ripped off all my nail polish, but it looks pretty decent. So let's put it into a container. So we're gonna need a normal glue. I think this time we're gonna use this blue paint. So I'll just pour a bit of that in. The only thing I don't love about the Tide is it makes the slime so bubbly. I almost feel like the white glue is a lot easier to work with than the clear glue. Maybe I'm just uneducated, but it feels a lot easier. I think we're gonna get the hang of it. I think the first two were the bad ones, and from there it'll just get better. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, Into the container you go. Love that. Love that. We're gonna need quite a bit of shaving cream. This one's definitely the hardest to mix. This is a lot. I hope my container's big enough. Gotta work all that Tide in here. We'll just move you to the side. I wanna make a huge clear slime. So here is all of that glue, 8 1.7 ounce things. I'm actually gonna try using my activator this time just to see if it makes a difference. Oh yeah, this is more what we're looking for. Here is the clear slime. I think it will dry eventually clear, but for right now, here is what it looks like. I don't know how slime YouTubers can make this stuff look so good. Oh, that already looks like it's old. Oops. Ew, a lot of these are getting really old. Look at that. The dollar store is doing me dirty with these. So now I'm gonna take this packet of sand and I'm just gonna put a little bit in here. I don't think I'm gonna put the whole thing in. Wow, this feels really weird. Oh my goodness. Okay, my camera batteries on both cameras are dying. I'm just gonna keep making slime. Probably for the next like 6 hours, and I will see you guys for the ASMR. Let's roll.
Hello. We are now at the portion of the video when we will be attempting to do some ASMR. Please enjoy.